below so that when I finish my live, I will check your channel. Yeah, and I will be connected to you as well. So what is the weather in Pakistan now? Is it raining as well? Oh, so is it very expensive to have this kind of what do you call this material in your place? Yeah, is it very expensive to have this kind of material in your place, like in India? This one, because here you can only buy. I think I bought this for only €7 or something like that. Yeah. Oh, rainy day. Yeah, that's better than hot day, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, Abdul is really good. He is 10 years old. Uh, yeah, and this one you can buy this for um, I think €199. Yeah. Just take your time. You can be, yeah, you know, you can do it. Don't worry. Really good that you have that talent, so you can tweak. You can improve it. Yeah, just don't get anxiety on that. Just be happy. Yeah. Y- when you're doing, you should have this kind of brush, just to brush like that, to smoothen everything. And if you do smoothen everything like this, you can see my other drawing there. I always use this. Yeah. So this will soften everything. Saan ka pupunta? Drive. Okay. So it will become, it will blend together. Yeah. Yeah, it will blend together like that. You see, the difference now is that